Welcome to Will Bootcamp. Thought for today: liberty, the right to change your decision. With regard to body bruises, when we are hurt in our bodies, like any bruise, nicks and cuts, we take care of those injuries whether with home remedies or a visit to the doctor of allopathy or Ayurveda and so on. When it comes to feeling bruises, in the last few decades, we are more aware that our feelings can also be bruised and now seek help by confiding in a friend or visiting a therapist or through a workshop and so on. Today I want to focus on thinking bruises, which seems to affect our thinking will. When we engage in any conversation, discussions, we usually share our points of view at those times, and usually we are either agreeing or disagreeing with the statement of the discussion. Sometimes we take decisions and make a choice about something, and later we realize we were wrong about our decision or choice and still stick with it even if it's wrong or harmful for us in the long run. For example, let's say your friend says, "Let's go on a trip," not exactly a story for the corona times. Yet you agree, and then on returning home, realize that you have this work assignment that you need to submit in a week's time, and going on this trip will affect the quality of your work. Then exercise your liberty, the right to change your decision. Before you change your decision, reflect on it for a while, even a good while if you require, and then if you feel you must skip this trip, then go ahead and call your friends and let them know about it. But you must not keep changing back and forth, else you will come across as fickle-minded. This happens when you haven't put sufficient thought into it when changing the decision. Sufficient thought does not necessarily mean taking a long time, like 7 hours or 7 days, although it helps. In some situations, even 7 minutes can be a long enough time to reflect and change your mind. When you make a decision or a choice or hold to an opinion during your discussions, then your thinking will has put some effort or done some work on these choices before letting you know about it. When we refuse to change our decision after knowing it's not good for you or your organization and still go ahead and do it, then the thinking will is embarrassed with itself and questions its ability to make a good decision for you. And if it keeps getting bruised like this, then soon it will give up making a choice or a decision and ask the other person to make it for them, because it doesn't trust its capacity or ability to make a good decision for themselves. If you had exercised the right to change your mind or decision and used it to change, then thinking will knows it makes mistakes at times and you're okay, and later when the thinking will got more time to reflect, it advised you differently. You will be empowering your thinking will and bruising it less and healing past wounds to your ego. At sea during navigation, there are many crunch navigational situations where we take a decision based on certain factors, soon realize that was a wrong call, deliberate a little and take a counter call. Nobody bats an eye because this is an established process, and as the navigator thought a particular action was the right one then, deliberated and realized the error and changed. But does not mean change and change again, then there is certain to be an accident. No one on the team will think that the person is fickle-minded cause of the process, and the thinking will gradually gains confidence in its ability to take better navigational calls. Once you start using this process, you may become conscious and it may seem to you that you are changing your decisions often. But given time, your thinking will grows stronger since it knows it can use the right to change decision if it comes down to it, and such instances will reduce. Get comfortable with this idea and don't start feeling guilty that you changed your mind. However, the thing to remember is that you don't yo-yo between decisions repeatedly and that would be fickle. Today is the time to reflect on your decisions in the last couple of days and see if you had any similar experiences and whether you changed or did not change that decision even though you realized later that it wasn't good for you or your team. To explain to young adults and mentors, I had coined this word thinking bruises for want of a better word to express this concept. You may replace it with anything else if you prefer. Use your liberty, exercise your right to change your decision. I am Captain Preetham Madhukar from Skills Beyond Education, signing off.